Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to clear WhatsApp call history. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your WhatsApp. So I'm going to click on here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply head over to your course, click on that. And the next thing you need to do is to click on the three dots from the top right here. Click on that. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on clear call log. Do you want to clear your entire course? Simply click on OK. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.